Hi there everyone. This is the first video for maths today, and it's on annuities in advance, which starts on page 18. This video is the example on page 19. We're going to be doing the V3.1 with Danielle, the self-employed person. We're only going to be doing part A in this video, and then we'll try a few questions on annuities in advance. Then there'll be some subsequent videos where we do some other types of annuities in advance questions. So before we begin, I'd just like to welcome Riley Gray from Smithton High School. Sorry I can't be there today, Riley. I'm sure that our students and the relief teacher will help you out with today, and I hope you have a good time. So this question on page 19 is an annuity in advance. Now, this annuities in advance are a bit different because we don't just have a lump sum like we do for compound interest, where we put some money in the bank, leave it there, and then see what it grows into. All right. With annuity in advance, we actually make a regular payment into the bank. So it complicates things a little bit, but we do have a formula to handle this. And it's a big, scary-looking formula. This one here. But really, as with compound interest, the difficult part is usually adjusting the I and the N value, and that's the same as for compound interest. So we've just got to learn to handle the two new variables, F for the amount at the end of the bank account or the end of the term, and R is the regular payment. Okay, so let's go into this example. We're going to do part A of this Danielle, the self-employed person, and let's see how we do these annuities in advance questions. So this is the formula. So it is big and scary looking, but it's actually not that difficult to use. I suppose the tricky part is putting it into the calculator afterwards, so we'll practice that. So let's see, we want to know what is our F value. That's what we're trying to find, the final value. A regular payment, $250. The interest rate, so it works the same as for compound interest, 9.5% as a decimal. And of course we divide that by 12 because it's compounding monthly. And our N value, number of payments, we're doing this for 35 years, 12 times a year. So 35 by 12 gives us 420 periods. So let's substitute these values into the formula, this one here. Okay, so you might like to pause the video at this stage and see if you can put that into the calculator and get the same answer that I'm about to get in a moment. Okay, so I'll try it now. So, let's tackle this one. Okay, so I like to start with this fraction button, control, divide. And we put our regular payment, bracket, 1 plus. Okay, then we go control, divide again, and put our interest rate, monthly rate in there. Okay, now we need two sets of brackets, so we're going to go bracket once and then another one again. And in here, we put the same thing as the previous bit, 1 plus, control, divide, this is to the power of 420. And then we go across and we take one. And underneath here, we go control divide again. And 0.95 over 12. And the grand total at the end is 841,475, and if I go down here we see that there's also 9 cents. Mine just rounded off a bit funny. Okay, so that's the grand total. Alright, now, before we finish the video, I'm just going to show you how to use the financial solver to do this so we can check our answers. You must be able to do this style of question algebraically, but we'll check it on the financial solver. Okay, I'll just check how this looks on the board, see if you guys can read it okay. I think that's all right. So you can pause the video and get all this working out down if you like. Then I'll do it on the calculator. So just while I'm teeing this up, Riley, we're really putting you into the deep end here. We're about just over halfway through this unit. I've left a textbook with the relief teacher for you, so if you're finding this stuff quite difficult, feel free to go back through the textbook to the earlier questions, and you may have studied some finance this year, and try some of those earlier questions. If these are a bit too far down the track, you can try some of the simple and compound interest questions. Please feel free to do that. Okay, so on the calculator we go menu and finance. I'm going to go finance solver. Okay, so let's get rid of this working out. Through the magic of YouTube, you guys can always pause and look at that one later. Righto, so let's check this on the calculator. 35 years, 12 times a year. Oh, big button, I should be pushing the tab button there. Okay, 9.5% per annum. Present value, we start at 0. Now, we need to adjust our regular payment. Negative 250. Final value, well that's what we want to calculate. And our payments, PPY and CPY by 12. Now this is important that we change this to begin. Okay, so just check those inputs again. And I'll just double check. Yeah, I think I've got the numbers all right. You guys can tell me otherwise when I get back. Right, so we should get the same as before, and we do. That's the number. Okay, so we're going to try some of these questions like this in annuities and advances. This is the beginning type question of where we start out. In the subsequent videos, we'll do some other styles of annuities in advanced questions. So the questions that you should try in the book in the description for the video.